Hi guys, welcome to Bajerski YouTube channel. We're going to talk about a crystal today that I love. It's been a while since I've had some. I don't even know if I've talked about this crystal. Worked with it for so long. Love it. Boulder crystal. Don't have many pieces, but when I do, I love them. And these are exquisite, really beautiful pieces. Can't really see them because the light of day is nearly gone, but if I can show you there. Oh, it's like they're coming out of the woodwork. Look. As you look at it, you can see that it's a real grounding crystal, but it's also in that grounding, there's a lot of calmness. It's like when you get aggressive, frustrated, angry, when you feel lost, when you are just completely oblivious to life, this is a great crystal to wear. It brought a lot of healing to my clients, a lot. Look at the back, it's nice and grounding. Brown is always a grounding crystal. It always tells you to get back into Mother Earth, hold a tree. This is the energy it gives you. It's like a blasting wave. I used to have a piece on me all the time. It's a great crystal. Mine was kind of oval shape, quite big, and it was just beautiful. It's mesmerizing to look at, and you feel calm when you wear it. So the energy when I'm working with clients, especially when you put it on the solar plexus, you can feel the energy going into them, and it kind of just brings back a kind of balance, and then they feel a lot better. And if you're a psychic, if you're a healer, boy, is it a great crystal. It's brilliant because it has this duality of energy to keep you grounded, but still attuned to the higher self and to meditation. Fantastic for meditation. Hold a piece of this when you meditate. Fantastic. Some of the things it's good for. Helped a lot of my clients with spinal problems, and I used to turn my client on their back, on their front or on their side, and just gently go up and down, up and down. I know one of my clients used to wear it on the back, so she had like this, she swore blind by it. And a lot of clients do, especially lower back issue, spinal issue. Like wear a belt and then cut into the belt and put it in there and leave it through the day. It was like a soft belt, which she put through, and she showed me, and it works really well. Also, wearing it at the front is okay because it'll blast the energy straight through, and if you wear it, you'll still get the benefit. But I guess all of us like, oh, we want to get it right to where the issue is, but sometimes the issue isn't actually there, and it could be somewhere else. It could be the liver, it could be the kidneys, and this crystal helps with liver and kidneys without a doubt. It's a cleanser, purifier, detoxifying crystal. It really feels good when you wear it. As a healer, kept me strong, kept me feel balanced. It's great with moldavite, it's great with moonstone. I love this crystal. I could talk about this crystal all day. Love it to bits. Love it to bits. It's gorgeous. The duality of the grounding of it, and then the purifying of the pureness of the opal is incredible. So yeah. Wonderful for children. It's a great crystal for kids. Great to heal heavy emotions, trapped emotions. It's brilliant for anything like you've got stuff that's going on inside that you're finding hard to shift because of your past. It's a really good crystal for that. It really strengthens you as you're clearing and detoxifying from that. Yeah, I used to love working with it as a psychic. I used to really like working with it as a psychic. As a healing crystal, it's definitely a go-to for me when I'm working on spine, liver. I've already said that. I'm repeating myself, but yeah, I'm giving you the key points that I remember this crystal for. Yeah, it's just also great when you wear it. You just feel like you're going in the right direction. You feel like I can move forward without worrying or fearing. If you're frustrated, filled with tension, you know, anything like that. I had clients who suffered with really bad hands and you know, like arthritis, and wearing it because it's healing and detoxifying the blood, purifying, detoxing, it helps. So the pain in the fingers weren't as bad. It was minimal, and they could do things, they could repair things where before they said they couldn't. So it's a great crystal. I just know it as that. think that's it really. But that's enough. That's enough. That's plenty enough. Yeah. I hope you love it. I only have a few pieces on my website, but the pieces that I have, love them all. They're gorgeous. These I've just finished working on these actually, past 5 weeks now, 6 weeks, so they're ready. So they'll be going up on the website in the next few days. I hope you love them, and just for your thoughts as you're buying, if you buy any crystal off markbajerski.com, you'll be put into a raffle to win a very priceless piece of Moldavite Besanitze hedgehog. Good luck, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little talk on Boulder Opal. Boom.